Hi, this is Neil Walters. I want to show you a couple of tricks or useful hidden buttons in Telegram, the website, web.telegram.org. The first one is how to remove yourself from a group, how to leave a group. But here's one, I have no idea why I'm in it. And the way you get out of it, you think you would click some button down here or something, but it's kind of hidden. You have to come up here and click on the group name and this bluish gray bar at the top of the screen. Then you're going to get a list of all the members and this kind of stuff, group info, and then see right here, it's kind of weird. It's by your name. You're at the top and you just click leave. It's are you sure? Yes. Okay. So now you're out of that group. One other trick that might be helpful is this. Let's say if I want to go to this group and I haven't actually been in this group for several months. So see, like right now, it's showing me February 16th of 2020, and this is currently June. You just click up here, show recent messages, which again, I think that's kind of hidden. You'd think somewhere there'd be a button down here, like here, even unread messages. That's not clickable. So you have to come up here and click show recent messages, and it will pop down to the bottom to, usually it's today's date. Let's try that in another group. Yeah, there's a lot of these groups I haven't been in a long time, like IFTTT. There's also, see the dates here. See, it's hard to find the last date. You have to scroll up till you see it up here. So it's also, a lot of them are in February. Now there's no catch up on this one. Okay, let's try this one, XLM project. That's some crypto that I was trying to learn more about. So here it says April 5th. Now I'm going to click show recent messages. And that's pretty close. So maybe there's no messages, but that's June 11th, which was about 6 days ago. So those are two things you can do in the Telegram site. This is also sometimes called a hamburger menu. When you see these little 3 stripes or whatever, it's supposed to be a bun and a hamburger in the middle. Anyway, that's what they call it in the techno lingo, is a hamburger menu. Of course, you have other options here, like you can create a new group. You can see your own personal contacts and settings and so on. So if you click on settings, you can see your username, and here's where you can turn on and off your desktop notifications. So if somebody tags you in a message, it will normally pop up on your lower right side of Windows. You want the sounds to play, and then I guess there's even a volume control here. So actually I just turned it down, and here you can control when you want to send a message what buttons you want to use. Like normally it's just enter by default. And if you want to add a new line, it's shift plus enter. Or some people prefer this. When you hit enter, you just want to add a new line. You don't want to send the message until you hit control enter. So I hope you like these tips on web.telegram.org.
This video is brought to you by CryptoBB.com, which is my wrapper site for the To Know It business. Basically, To Know It is everything. And what we do at To Know It is we provide training about cryptos, and I'm making a blast making money with it, and we want you to go with us on this great journey that's coming up. We work with Marius Landman in Australia, and he predicts basically what's going to happen next in his forecast, and he is amazingly accurate. And now we're providing all kinds of videos on how to trade cryptocurrencies. So check out my site and click the link on there, and I'll see you on the inside.